Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys. Capricorn, we are picking these cards, guys, and this is for your relationship and this is for your career situation, Capricorn. If you want more clarity or if you have some doubts or questions in your mind, you can watch the pick a card love reading. So that will follow this general energy, guys. So let's see what are these cards for your general energy first, Capricorn. So we have, we have mice, ring, and child. So with these cards, guys, in your situation, it may be in your career or it may be in this love, in this relationship. There is someone trying to use you and benefit from that, guys. Maybe they are using your ideas or efforts and they don't have that true positive intentions about you, and they are quite jealous or envious of you. So you need to be really careful, guys, with this person. So if you know who it is or if you have a vague idea who it will be, you need to stay away from this person. And for some of you, there are some new opportunities coming your way, and that may be the reason this person is there with you. They are trying to enjoy your good times together. So they are with you because you are quite successful and they want to be involved with you and enjoy the success with you, trying to use your success in some ways, guys, in whatever way is possible for them. And some new opportunities are knocking for y'all, guys, Capricorn. It may be a new career or it may be something creative, maybe a second job, some new path for you, career path maybe. And maybe for some of you, you are quite immature today, maybe rushing towards certain things, or you are new to this career choice maybe. So something new has come up and you want to take it up, but you are quite inexperienced in that field, guys. That is what I see. And maybe for some of you, you are signing some important documents, agreements, or maybe if it is something to do with your love, you are taking the next step towards a deep commitment, a long term commitment with this person you love, making some for some of you, it may be engagement or marriage, guys, Capricorn. So that is what I see with these cards, guys. So let's see what is the card specific to your relationship. We have mountain. So we saw positive energy with the previous cards, guys, but maybe there are some hurdles for you to overcome, but these are just hurdles. You can always find the right way to overcome all that in your connection, guys. Maybe some minor misunderstandings or stress may be there in this love, but nothing to be worried about, guys. That is what I see with this card. So let's see what is the card for your career situation. We have heart. So something which you are really passionate about, something which you love to do. So you may be getting a new beginning in that career path, guys, Capricorn. So that is the reading with these cards, guys. If you want more clarity, stay tuned and watch the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards, and whatever your situation is, you can think about it. Close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first, or the crystal. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with this card. This is your first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep this aside. So let's see what it is. We have Passatine Garnet. So this is the card for y'all, guys, and this is your crystal for those who have chosen this card. So this card just means that you are unique in your own way, and you are really working hard, trying really hard to make people like you. But you need to stop that, because your soulmate, the person who is amazing, glorious, and who is the perfect match, is waiting for you to come towards you. So you need to understand that whatever you are trying to hide, or whatever you are trying to change for to make people like you, or for yourself to have that understanding, you need to give up that fear or whatever apprehensions you have, and feel comfortable in your own skin. So whatever you are, you should not be ashamed to show that, and you should be truthful to your heart. You should show your authentic self. That is the energy with this card, guys. And you're charming, charismatic, and sparkling, and you are a brilliant person in your own unique way, just like everyone else is. So you need to shine brightly whatever you are, instead of trying to hide or change yourself, guys. So that is the energy with this card. So if you are authentic to yourself, you will find that authentic love today, guys. So that is the energy with this card for those who have chosen this card. So let's see what is the second card for those who have chosen the second card. And this is your card, guys, the second card. And it is the Juniper Tree, Deception. So with this card, the energy is that for you all is that it just means that you have been carrying a great burden till now. Maybe it is someone else's responsibility, not yours, and you are carrying so much sadness within you because of that. And you must let go of that sense of feeling that everything is your fault, and you have a good heart. That is the reason you are thinking that it is your fault that certain things are happening in your life today, guys. But you should not lose hope, and you need to keep doing what you need to do today. And soon, very soon, the person you loved, that person will come back to you. Maybe for some of you, I see maybe you, if you are in a breakup, if you are in a separation, this person is going to come back to you, is going to build that understanding. Maybe there is a third party involved. That may be the reason that you feel that sadness today. But you need to do the right thing, and whatever happiness or whatever love you lost is coming back to you. And you should not act out of your anger or resentments today, guys. You have to have compassion in your heart. And when you are compassionate, your situation is going to change. And maybe for some of you, you have taken up false blame, or someone has blamed you for something which is not your mistake, and you are accepting it because you are a person of a very good heart. But you need to understand that it is not your responsibility and it is not your burden. So you need to let go of that, but have that compassion in your heart, and don't act based on your impulses. When you do that, You're going to find the person you love coming back to you, understanding your situation and understanding the whole scenario, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and you're getting second chances at life, at love. So whatever you missed, that is going to come back to you, guys. That is the energy with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this card. I hope this reading resonates, guys. If it does, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.